Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today we are making a plate of poha that's actually heavy on the onions and extra on the crunch. Let's look at the ingredients. Medium or thick poha, 200 grams. Onions, 3 large. Groundnuts or peanuts, 1 cup. Green chilies, curry leaves, lime, shred coconut. Now, for the best part. Toast a full cup of peanuts in oil until they are golden and noisy. Set those aside for later. In that same oil, drop your mustard seeds, green chilies, and a handful of fresh curry leaves. Hear that? That's the sound of breakfast. Add in 3 large chopped onions. We want them soft, sweet, and translucent. Toss in some salt for that iconic flavor. Toss in some turmeric for that iconic sunshine glow. Add a pinch of sugar to balance the taste. Give 200 grams of thick poha a quick rinse. No soaking, just a bath until it's soft but still holds its shape. Add in your poha. Give it a gentle mix so you don't mash the grains. Add those crunchy peanuts. Finish it off with a massive squeeze of lime. Finish it off with a massive squeeze of lime and a snow cap of fresh shredded coconut. Fluffy, nutty, and perfect. Dig in while it's steaming. It's best paired with hot tea. How do you top your poha? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking!